Hey y'all, this is Miss Ross, the Activity Boss. Today we're going to do a science activity using a KiwiCo Kit, and you can do it at home. So we're going to learn about some really fun everyday science. Have you ever been fishing? Have you ever played tug of war? If you have, then you've seen the science of tension in action. So today we're going to learn all about that. Tension is when a force pulls on a rope, string, or cable. So when you have a string and it doesn't have very much tension, it's all loose and noodly. But when you pull it, it becomes straight and tight or taut. So that means that there's a lot of tension in the string. So you can think of if you were playing tug of war and you have a big, long string. So when no one's pulling, it's loose. But when you pull on it, the rope becomes really tight and you can actually use the force from that tension to pull the kids along towards you. So tension is really important in a game of tug of war. It's also really important when you're fishing. So if you have a fishing line and you throw it out, it's really loose. And when it gets attached to a fish, when a fish bites on it, you pull tight and you reel it in. So that force, the tension, is used to pull something towards you, like the fish. So tension is all around us, from suspension bridges to ski lifts to guitars to the elastic waistband on your pants. So we're gonna learn all about tension through a really fun activity called push and pull toys. So let's get to it. Step 1 is to wrap a rubber band around the base. Step 2, stick a brown sticky foam piece over each rectangle. So make sure that your base is the side up that has the rectangles etched on it. Step 3, flip the base over, push a support piece into the slot shown. Make sure that those little support pieces have that ridge facing up, the slit. Step 4, push the long white bolt into the support piece, slide a spacer onto the bolt, then slide the lever onto the bolt, then slide on another spacer. And you gotta make sure that your lever, the notch, is facing up. Step 6, slide another support piece into the bolt and push it into the other slot. Twist a nut on to secure. Step 7, flip the base over, wrap a rubber band around the bottom tabs. Flip the base back over. Step 8, fit the platform over the top tabs. Then stretch a rubber band over the top tabs. Step 10, poke a blue bolt through each corner hole in the platform and base. Twist a nut onto each bolt. It can help the kids if they flip the entire thing over so that they can easily put the nuts on top. Step 11, thread the elastic down one of the holes in the platform, through the lever hole, then up through the other hole in the platform. Step 12, thread one of the elastic through a large bead, then a small bead, and then put on the bead hat. And then you're gonna twist that little metal tab at the top so that all the beads stay on. And then you have your puppets, which leads into step 13. Push up the long end of the lever, then pull the rubber band over the notch on the other side. Step 14, stick 2 wiggle eyes onto one puppet. Then you can do that with the other puppet and slide the background on. Now you've made your push puppets. When you push down on the lever, you can see your puppets dance. I hope you all had fun today making your push and pull toys. I'll see you next time for the next unveiling of our KiwiCo kits. You can catch us on YouTube at BGC South AL. See you next time.